Randall Reed's Prestige Ford, your local Ford dealership, knows that. Being the right dealership for you isn't just about having a great inventory. It's about family. Randall Reed's Prestige Ford is family owned and takes pride in providing the highest level of customer satisfaction possible to every customer. Let our family here at Randall Reed's Prestige Ford take care of your family. Learn more about Randall Reed's Prestige Ford at www.prestigegarland.com. While you're there, shop from home, buy from home. Find out about our internet specials. Schedule a service appointment and see what makes Randall Reed's Prestige Ford the right dealership for you. Randall Reed's Prestige Ford is located at 3601 South Shiloh Road in Garland, Texas.